Good day guys! So dumating yung ating FedEx today. And yeah, mag-unbox na tayo. This one is I think batch 13, 14. May dumating na ano eh, pero August 19. May dumating na, well, papakita ko na lang sa video. So, ito na guys, ang ating PSA batch 13 or 14. Sorry, I forgot. Ayan. Thumbnail muna guys, thumbnail. So, say natin. Dito muna tayo sa right side. Yan. Ay putek, nandito pala yung mic. So, narinig nyo ba ako kanina? Sorry naman. Hindi ko nasuot yung mic ko guys. So, ang first batch natin. Sino to? Ay, Bob. Sa kabila, PSA 10. PSA 10, Belly Bolt, and Iono Belly Bolt pala. Next, dito pala natin dapat takpan. Jesse and James, PSA 10. Next, guys. This one is Giratina from Crown Zenith, and it is a PSA 10. So guys, if you wanna grade your card, you can contact me at Kel Santos or may QR code sa taas. And yeah, this one is the Green Ninja PSA 10. So this one is the Japanese one. So ayan guys, Crimson Haze. And the Lachas PSA 10. Next one, another Green Ninja PSA 10. This one is English and Japanese guys, Japanese English. So kung compare mo sila, mas ma-texture talaga yung Japanese cards. Doble rin yung price ng PSA ng English. Nasa 55k na yata yan. Grabe no. And this one is the Pikachu PSA 10. The next one is Charizard from Crystal Guardians PSA 5. Not bad, not bad. Marami kasi siyang scratches sa surface, kaya yun. Maganda naman yung likod niya. Kaya mag 6 yan or 8. Kaso maraming scratches sa likod. And this one is the promo, kaso maraming puti sa likod. So I guess it's a PSA 8 or 9. Yeah, it's a PSA 8. So, yun yung ninyo guys. Kapag maraming white sa likod, talagang mahirapan kayong magpa-PSA 10. So, another stock of PSA. Ship na natin mamaya sa may-ari ito guys. Pero gagawa muna tayo short. Carmine, this is mine guys. My Carmine is PSA. Ulang yung yun. PSA 9 lang. Grabe, isa lang yung whites. Busit na yan. Uy, Manga Luffy. PSA 9. Oh my god. Kala ko PSA 10 na. Mangan ay AA Nami. PSA 10. Not bad, not bad. Next one is Nami from Collection Storage Box. PSA 10. Next one is the Glaceon PSA 10. So, Charizard PSA 9. Next one is the Pikachu PSA 10. Nice. This one is the Darkrai PSA 10. So, Japanese to guys. Ang ganda talaga Beastar Universe. Yung pagka-gloss ng mga Japanese cards, sobrang gloss niya. Kaya sobrang ganda yung texture. This one is the Zekrom Pikachu Black Star Promo PSA 10. Not bad guys, not bad. Dalugia. Grabe naman to. Nakita nyo ba yan? PSA 8 lang. The Green Ninja PSA 8. Oh my god, this is mine. 8 lang. Sana hindi ko na binenta yung 9 ko. Kala ko mag-10 yun eh. Protect. Sayang. The Glassbirds PSA 9. Next one is the Arceus PSA 9 ulit. Next, the Clefairy Japanese. Uy, PSA 9 lang to. Why? May white siguro. Hindi. Wala naman siyang whites. Makinis siya guys. Siguro surface. Sabagay, kung ganyan naman ka-gloss yung cards mo. Nahihirapan ka talaga. Mew PSA 9. Grabe naman. Eevee PSA 10. This one is from Surprise Box. So, may stamp lang siya na EX. To 5K yata yung isang box na ngayon. Iono Bellibolt PSA 10 again. Not bad, not bad. And Gardevoir PSA 10. The Latias PSA 10. And the last one is the Surging Sparks Pikachu PSA 10. So, yun yung mga cards natin. And i-anin ko muna yung Value Plus natin nakaraan. Isasama natin sa video na to. And yeah. Makikita nyo na ngayon. So, ito yung Value Plus na sinubmit natin last time. And na-delay siya. So, 4 na cards lang siya. And this one is the first one. And it is the Hidden Face Charizard. It is a PSA 9. What the heck? So, the next one is the... I forgot. Charizard PSA 10. So, nice one. Not bad, not bad. 110 and another is PSA 9. So, hindi ko nagawa ng video. Separate video to. PSA 9. Kasi burol ni tito ko that time. So, yan yung 4 cards na pinabit natin for Value Plus. So, yun guys. Kung gusto nyo magpa-grade ng cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Nagre-reply naman ako agad. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated and don't forget to like and subscribe. May parating na naman tayo guys na PSA kaya abang-abangan nyo yun guys. Let's see. Peace!